Shaykh al-Islam Abu Abdullah Al-Shafi'ee said, "True knowledge is that which benefits oneself or others, not information that is merely memorized." Don't love the one who doesn't love to Allah. If they can leave Allah, they will leave you. You will never be able to please everyone. Rather rectify what is between you and Allah and don't care about the people. And tire yourself out because it makes life worth living. I have seen that water stagnates when it stands still, yet when it runs, it is sweet and pure. If you do 99 things correct and one thing incorrect, people will ignore the 99 and spread the one mistake. If you see a man walking on water and flying in the air, then don't be amazed by him until he demonstrates that he followed the commands of the book, Quran, and the Sunnah. Seek help in speech with silence and in reasoning with reflection. Follow it and do not look sideways at anyone else saying. Fools are those who debates with ignorance. Always hate what is wrong, but don't hate the one who errs. Hate sin with all your heart, but forgive and have mercy on the sinner. Criticize speech, but respect the speaker. Our job is to wipe out disease, not the patient. I left Baghdad and I didn't leave behind me a man better, having more knowledge or greater fiqh, nor having greater taqwa than Ahmad bin Hanbal. Wealth remains behind on earth, while ibadah accompanies you into the grave. There is a verse in the Quran that every wrongdoer should be terrified of. He was asked, "Which verse is that?" He replied, "And your Lord never forgets." Don't you see that the lion is silent and yet feared, while the dog barks constantly and is despised? To admonish your brother in private is to advise him and improve him, but to admonish him publicly is to disgrace and shame him. Increase in worship before your responsibilities increase, then you won't have time to worship as much. Knowledge is not measured by how much is memorized, but rather by how much it is acted on. When the foolish one speaks, do not reply to him, for better than response is silence. And if you speak to him, you have aided him. And if you left him in extreme sadness, he dies. The more I learn of my ignorance. If you focused all your effort into pleasing people, you had never succeed. So be sincere to Allah in your actions and intentions. When you correct a fool, he will hate you. When you correct a wise man, he will appreciate you. My heart is at ease, knowing that what was meant for me will never miss me, and that what misses me was never meant for me. The dua at tahajjud is like an arrow which doesn't miss its target. Despair not your Lord's blessings. If he had wished that you reach the hellfire eternally, he would not have inspired your hearts towards him. Be hard on yourself, easy on others. Some people have passed away, but their character has kept them alive. Others are alive, but their characters has killed them. Knowledge without action is arrogance. If you have a friend who helps you to obey Allah, hold on to him. Nobility has 4 pillars: good character, generosity, humility, and piety. The first squeeze of the grave will make you forget every warm hug you had in your life. My silence towards the idiot is indeed an answer. Seek understanding before you lead. When you lead, then there is no way to seek understanding. My sin burdened me heavily, but when I measured it against your grace, O Lord, your forgiveness came out greater. If you don't occupy your soul with the truth, it will occupy you with falsehood. Time is like a sword. If you don't cut it, it will cut you. Whoever gossips with you will also gossip about you.